Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to do a remote battery in a Maserati key. So we start by pressing the button here and releasing the key blade. There's a button on both sides, or it looks like there is. There's actually only one. So pull the key blade out. Take out this one T6 screw, and as you're unscrewing this, press on it so it pushes the opposite side free. So pull that key out, that screw out, and then both sides of the key comes off. Then you can see there's a slot here and a slot here. You can take a little flat tool, usually a small flat tip screwdriver, and separate the key. Once the key is separated, there's one more screw there. It has to be loosened, and that one's a T5, a very small Torx screw. Loosen the T5, loosen up where the circuit board will flip to the side, and then there is your battery for your Maserati key.